Good morning, friends. My last video is how to install WSUS server and network. So the configuration is completed. This video will configure how to target the clients to WSUS server. So let's open WSUS console and the synchronization is started. So it will take time and the security updates are waiting to be approved. This will show how to approve, and before that I need to target the workstations to WSS server. So right now you're getting your WSS server currently shows that no computers are registered to receive updates. So let's go to domain controller. Let's create one group policy. Open a group policy management and go to group policy management, and I have created WSS group policy. You can click and edit and go to policies, expand administrator templates and Windows components, and below you have a Windows update folder. So first of all we need to create configure automatic updates. uh, Click on enable and select the uh, configuration updating options. Like I have selected 4. So auto download, so it will download on the machine workstation and schedule the installation. So this is selected on the group policy end. So every day, so I selected every day. So schedule install time is 9 a.m. So every 9 a.m. it will start the policy on the workstation. It start getting updating all the information. So I'm clicking and click OK. And another one, specify intranet Microsoft update service location. So we have a WSS server, so I'm going to configure with the name. So let's see, here we have a WSS server, so we are configuring WSS server and with the fully qualified domain name, and colon 8530 is the port number for WSS. Copy this and paste. So this is a client targeting WSS server service. So click apply and OK. Automatic update detect frequency. I mentioned internal interval is 5 hours. So it will check for every 5 hours if any new updates are available on the WSS server. So just click 5 hours and click OK. And I have selected another one, allow automatic updates immediate installation. So if any updates are downloaded on the machine, so default it should be immediately install these updates once they are downloaded and ready to install, so no need to wait. And another one, reprompt for the restart with schedule installation. So like suppose the server or workstation is restarted, next 20 minutes interval it will start again the patching. If any new patches are pending, it will start. So I have selected 20 minutes. And another, reschedule automatic update schedule installation. So it is enabled and start up. After starting workstation, it will take 15 minutes. After 15 minutes again it will communicate to the WSA server to get a latest updates. So I mentioned this one. And next, so client targeting is I have not mentioned. So default all the missions or workstations will go to unassigned group, and all signed updates for internet update service location are not enabled. So click OK. So we have enabled 4 5 6 7 7 policies has been updated, and simply click close. You can see here details. This policy is user configuration is disabled, so we are enabling only computer configuration. So we need to select user configuration settings disabled. Go to settings, generating the report like which policies are enabled. So it will show all. So whatever we selected the options, it is displaying here. So these are the settings, and this is the WSUS URL to point. And let's okay. And now I'm going to update this policy to workstation OU. So how to add a group policy to OU? So we can add domain level and OU level. So now I'm going to right click on OU, click an existing GPO, group WSS group, click OK. So now policies updated on my domain workstation OU. So if you can see, and if you click this one, group policy, authenticated users who are in this OU, this policy will be applied. So by default, in the authentication, like whoever login the machine, the policy will be applied. And click refresh, and you want to go and update GP update /force. Before that, I'm going to add for domain control also. So click add WSS. Okay, now I added to domain controller also. Let's update GP. Okay, update policy is done, and I'm going to workstation. It's a Windows 8 workstation. Okay, okay, the user now logged in. Okay, now I'm going to show you. I'll close this one. I will open command prompt and gp/force. So it will get updates from domain controller. The policy OU, that policy will be applied in the machine. Okay, computer policy updated. Update has been completed successfully. User policy updated complete. And go to console, WSS console. Go to computers, expand all computers, unassigned group. So if you refresh, okay, one showing. Let's see any refresh. It will display the workstations. Okay, domain controller is detected. We can see how many patches, or what is the IP address, what is the operating system, and in which location this computer is added into the group. So we have only unassigned computers OU, and let's see why this workstation is not here. So before that, you can create a OU, add a group, like okay, and we can add servers, and we can create another OU workstations. So both groups are created, and now I'm going to move this existing WinDC, change the group membership. So you can select server. This is the server, so I'm selecting server and go to click OK. Now it is moved to server OU. Yeah, done. Here, not visible here. If you go here, you can see. Okay, now it is visible. So now let's why workstation is not still reporting. So click GP update force once again. Group policy is completed successfully. Okay, Windows update needs to help. Click close. Let's okay, and go to server and refresh. Click. Okay. Okay, sorry, and we need to go to unassigned group. So it is not still detecting. So we need to execute one command on workstation, and WUA CLT slash detect now. So and report now, and we'll update GP policy. Go to console, refresh. Now it is reflecting. Let's move this workstation to workstation group, and now you can see we have two machines, and now we need to uh, approve the patches. So click on updates, and needed you can search, and unapproved if you search, you can see the security patches is need to approve. So unapproved patches